About this person Majek from India. He owns a company there, Air Extreme Human Hair. It's 100% human hair, no chemical, nothing. He didn't use nothing on it. It's natural human hair. He don't do nothing on it. No shading, no tangle, nothing. I've been dealing with him for the past more than a year now. This is like my sixth time that I'm buying it for him, and no regret, nothing, no shade. I can give like 10 years warranty, I'm sure. If you want to get your hair, tell me, coily, wavy, straight, you can reach him on his number. His number is +9199 41 366 664. And you can reach him too on his email www.airhairstream.com, and you will get the best hair from him. I promise you. And you will come back and thank me. Thank you. Mwah.